Hey, so my name is Mark Rabin. I'm the CEO of Websnare Inc. And I'm making a small series of tutorials here to try to help our clients who use Joomla and anybody else who really needs the information. We are looking currently at the administrative panel for the Websnare website at websnare.com, and I was going to just kind of do a really quick walkthrough about categories and articles. So to make a new category, which articles are stored in, you go under content at the top to the category manager. You can also do this over here as well. I tell a lot of our new clients to just use the top menu in Joomla, as it seems all the features can be accessed through that menu, and sometimes it's confusing where to find those features if you're not using that menu. So basically, to create a new piece of content inside of Joomla, you will go to the category manager, and then you'll notice this is what I refer to as the Joomla data grid. It's a sortable grid. I can change the actual order of things right here. Another little hint is that this icon on top of the grid allows for the reordering of whatever is in that grid. So sometimes it's going to be menu items, sometimes it will be articles. To create a new category, what I typically do is I create a new category using the new button, and I really don't use an editor inside of my Joomla. I just write code, but for categories I can certainly just give it a title. And really what I'm just trying to do is create a directory structure. So I'm going to call this like top level jobs, and I'm going to hit close. The real point that I'm trying to make here is when I go to content and I go to article manager and I have a new article, which is not going to show the JCE editor because I don't have it installed in the site. But I'm just going to put test article. In order to get my article into the right category, I go over to categories and I will select top level jobs. That is the category we just created, right? So I can give it some tags like content management system or whatever else I want to do. And then over here, I'm going to just type in some really simple HTML code. I'm just going to say this is a test article. Okay, and then I would hit save. So basically what I was trying to do is show you that I can categorize things in Joomla by just creating a category. And a lot of times it's not beneficial to actually add content into the editor for the category, but to let the category group articles. And using the Joomla's menu structure, you can then pull those articles out of the category or subcategories and display them with much more control. So anyway, that's kind of this tutorial, and I'm going to continue to try to make more tutorials and help our clients and anybody else who really wants the knowledge. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your comments and feedback. Have a great one.